So looks like the hail, it's 8:15 now. We can finally come out of the house, but it looks like it hit about 6:30. Just do some, there's a sidewalk underneath here if you can believe it. Just stripped the tree of almost all the leaves. Busted the skylight out of the house, one of them. Busted the skylight out of the fifth wheel. Can't see it from here, but and the awning, you can't see it, but it took the top of the awning off on the fifth wheel. Do a quick walk around. Here's my car. Granted, this has already been in like an hour to an hour and a half later. So we had friends over for dinner. It busted their windshield in 3 parts on a Honda Odyssey. Hail damaged their car. The truck's over there too. Yeah. It just looks like never seen this much trees on the ground before. I took the blower and I blew some of this off so we could walk out of the house. But you can see where, again, here's another pile up of it. It came off the roof. It was overflowing off the gutters. That pile's 1.5 feet thick or so. Devastating. Looks like the roof on the garage in the shed got it too. This is our covered porch. I already blew some of it off, but this is covered, and look at what the destruction. It's coming in sideways. Under the table. Again, covered porch. So it's 8:30 the next morning. Look at all the hail that is still here. It's probably hard to tell on a video, but it's about 2 foot thick right there where it came off the roof, the hip part of the roof right there. And then you can see the skylight is all busted up. Parts of it are laying down here. I can see the fifth wheel over there. It's got, all the skylights are busted out of that too. Let's go take a look at that. This might be hard to see, but the top part of that awning is down. It's all laying down here on the ground. It's all down here. You can see all the white specks with the leaves. All over the side here too. It's just speckled with, I don't know, the sides look okay, but it's got just, I don't know, a lot of dirt damage, I guess. Let me get up on the roof and see if I can look at that. Here's another shot just looking across the yard now that the sun's out. You can see my Cavalier over there. You can barely even see the windshield. It's so thick of trees. They're even in the road. There's so much water. The news said we got 3.2 inches. And it, I don't know, it kind of washed out over here. And then you could just see this line, this brown line over here on the road of stuff from the tree that was just washed down the road, literally. There's the truck. It's got the hood for sure. I haven't looked at anything else yet. I'm looking at it for the first time. I looked at it yesterday, but it was muddy and I couldn't really tell. Just gonna walk around it here real quick. Still some hail in here, and look at all the trees. There's not a tree around here. And look at all the trees that ended up in here in the hail. That wind was something. Just still walking around. These are just all leaves down. More hail, and the sun's out. It's still on the ground from yesterday afternoon. Looks like that drip edge on there is damaged right there. Cover. See if I can get up there. There's one of the vents. The AC unit. I don't see any holes in it. Here's one. Let me get out of this sun here. One of the skylights has got a hole in it, which that goes right inside, so it's probably got some water damage in there. This whole side, it's hard to tell, but it's dented right on the edge. If you can see that. Here's the shower skylight, completely broke out. Both inner and outer are broke on this. So we probably got a lot of water in there. This skylight's broke. Here's the antenna. It's broken. Here's the other skylight. It's completely demolished. This is the one in the bedroom. You could just see all the green leaves everywhere. And I just do a walk around here. So there's sidewalks underneath here, believe it or not. There's the hail still up on the deck. 12 hours later. Shot of my car. Don't know if it broke the windshield. Can't tell yet. I'll get it cleaned up and see. Doesn't look like it. I'm over here. So here's over here by the garage. Well, it washed out a bunch of the dirt. Let's see. The garage, you probably can't tell in the pictures, but I mean, you can just see it's just beat to crap up there. So I'm sure the gutters are full of asphalt. I haven't got up there yet, but picnic table is full of debris. This whole hillside's green, and normally it's not. These are all from just the stuff that came off the trees, the leaves and the shrubs and whatever the trees could drop. That's what they dropped. Over here, looks like it hit the worst on this side, at least on the fifth wheel. And over here, the paint on the house is all down here in the, if you can see all the white stuff in here. And you can see this, it got the screens, these two. And there's just Stuff splattered all over the house over here. Just pelted it. Yeah. You can see all the paint just coming off. This is around the back side. Just paint all in the flower beds. All those speckles, white speckles is paint. You see, it just beat it off. You see all the speckles in the paint. It looks like it ripped this off. This looks like it was our phone right here. It tore it off from that box. We don't have the landline, but we do use the internet. It's working. So this must be just for a phone line for this corner back here. Inside the house, there's a jack right there. I didn't break these windows. I got those screens pretty good. Just knocked everything down over here. Oh wow. The paint's off the shed. Still got hail over here. There's the race trailer. It's starting to melt off. Actually, it doesn't look like it broke the skylight on there. Might have been close enough to the garage to hide it. All right. Kind of rough. It got the house, the garage, shed, roof. The fifth wheel's really damaged. The truck's got hail damage, at least on the hood. So it busted out 4 out of 5 of our skylights. I covered these tomatoes, believe it or not, but they're damaged. But I did cover these. They might survive. The other ones, everything in the garden is shredded. Even though we hadn't those covered, it ripped the covers off. We had shade cloth on it. So these tomatoes over here just ripped to smithereens. The tomatoes actually got holes in it. All right. Thanks for watching.